The Linksys node flashes red because it has lost its connection to the primary node. To resolve this issue, the blinking node must be reconnected to its primary node and remain within range. This can be achieved by booting the node to its factory state, which is indicated by a solid purple light once the process is complete. Next, connect a mobile device to the Linksys Mesh Wi-Fi network. Log into the associated app, and navigate to the menu by tapping the icon in the top left corner. Then, select the option to set up a new product, followed by adding another node to the existing Wi-Fi network. When prompted for the reason to add a new node, choose the option to extend the Wi-Fi network with a new child node. Proceed by turning on the phone's Bluetooth and tap Next. Then plug the node into a power supply near the router. Wait for the node to be added to the Wi-Fi network after tapping that the node light is solid, thus resolving the blinking issue.